Hello friends, welcome back. Just a continuation with what we did in the last video here. Now, if you remember, we for the blank cells, we have mentioned data not available. That is happening because of the conditional statement if here, where we are giving the condition that C4, that is C4, is equal to nothing, comma. That's a condition. And then if it is true, then it becomes data not available, and if it is false, it is going to say C4 itself, means it will just show the value itself. Now what we can do here, just as an continuation, is like we can select these guys and copy them and right click here, and you have to just say this option, that is values, place values. So click on that. Now the reason I'm saying is that because if you see these cells are basically if condition, they are all basically functions, but we want only the data. So you can just put it in plain Excel by copy and paste wherever you want, and during pasting you have to paste it as values only. Okay, all right. And then this column can be deleted because this we don't need. Now the data is fine. Wherever the data is missing, it will give the message data not available. Okay, so please practice this by rewinding the video. Thank you.